Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be explaining about the control flow statements in Python. Let's start with the tutorial. Let us see what are control flow and control flow statements. Control flow is the order in which the instructions in a program is executed, whereas a control flow statement is a statement that determines the control flow of a set of instructions. There are three basic forms of control flow statements that every programming languages provide, such as sequential control, selection control, and iterative control. In this video, we will be focusing mainly on the selection control statements. The selection control, or in other words, the conditional statements, are the statements that gets executed whenever the specified condition is evaluated to be either true or false. Like in other programming languages, Python provides three conditional statements. They are if else, and if else. Let us see each conditional statement and its syntax with an example. Let us start with the first statement, that is if statement. Let us see the syntax compared with other programming languages. Let's say for example C language. In C language we specify the keyword if followed by a set of parentheses. Within the parentheses we are going to specify the test condition, and followed by that we will open a set of braces to specify the statements that we need to execute when the condition gets either true or false. Here in Python we are going to write the if condition somewhat different. Let's see the syntax in Python. In a similar manner, we will specify the keyword if followed by the test condition. You can either specify the test condition without any parenthesis, or you can specify within the parenthesis. It's up to your wish. Here the test condition followed by a colon is placed after the condition. Then in the next line we are not going to specify any braces. Instead of that we are going to specify a tab space. That's what we call indentation space in Python. Python strictly follows indentation. That is, if you skip the indentation then it throws an error. So when you are writing or when you are doing coding with Python, you must maintain indentation so that the code readability will be more. Here all the statements that belong to the if statement should precede with a tab space or indentation space. Then only the interpreter treats all those statements as the statement that belong to the if block. Here when we use either PyCharm or the Spider IDEs, the IDE itself provides the indentation space by default, so we need not to specify any extra tab spaces. So let us see the if statement with an example. Here let's pick up a variable called a and assigning a value of 10, and we are going to check the condition. If a is less than 10, then it should print something whatever we require. Let's execute it. Here the condition is false since a is equal to 10 but a is not less than 10. So let us try a less than or equal to 10, and again we will run the code, and we can see that the condition gets true and the statement inside the if gets executed. Not only print statements, we can also perform some operations inside the if statement when the condition gets either true or false. Let us say if the value of a is less than or equal to 10, then we will add 10 to the value of existing value of a, and in the next line we are going to print the value of a again. and if we execute the code, we can see that the value of a is 20. This is how if statements are written in Python. I will stop here. In the next video, I will be explaining the remaining two conditional statements. So thanks for watching the video. Get subscribed and I will continue in the next video.